Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will look into one of the important topics, how homeopathy can help you if you have HIV. If you have HIV, along with ART treatment, if you take homeopathy treatment, your lifespan will be increased, your quality of life will be increased. When you have symptoms, the intensity of the symptoms will be low, the frequency of the symptoms will be low, and the duration of the symptoms will also be less. So that's how advantageous homeopathy treatment is. Homeopathy treatment can improve your immunity. So sometimes what happens is, even after you take ART treatment, your CD4 count will not increase, but with homeopathic treatment you have high chance that it will increase. And also sometimes what happens with ART treatment is, even after you take ART treatment, your viral load is not coming down. Even in such cases you can take homeopathic treatment where it brings down your viral load. And also what happens is, you may have the symptoms of the ART treatment or side effects of the ART treatment. You can use homeopathy when you have high amount of side effects, or if you want to reduce the side effects of ART treatment, you can take homeopathic treatment as well. And also, if you have the disease related symptoms, you have lot of symptoms coming up, you have other diseases like herpes simplex or human papilloma virus or hepatitis B. Even for such type of diseases, homeopathy is very effective. Finally, homeopathy is safe, homeopathy is effective, and homeopathy doesn't have any side effects, not even one side effect you can have with homeopathy. So homeopathy is timely. I recommend all of you to take the homeopathic treatment along with ART treatment. We are Fidicus Homeopathy. Fidicus Homeopathy has the highest success rate compared to any other homeopathic individual doctors or homeopathic corporate hospitals. We have the highest success rate for HIV. At Fidicus Homeopathy, we have the highest success, transparent treatment, and personal care. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.